what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today we're opening this super colorful Pipsticks pack. Now, if you've seen these videos before, you know that I have a Pipsticks subscription, which means that I get one of these fun sticker packs each month. I subscribe to the regular pack, I think it's called. I know that you can also subscribe to like a half pack and a kids pack, but of course I want to get all of it, so I subscribe to this one. Couple of things I want to say before I start is that, first of all, this video is not sponsored by Pipsticks. Very important. I do this from my own money and because I simply like it so much. But I started by subscribing with my own money, and then when you join Pipsticks you get a referral link. I will link my referral link down below, of course, and that means that if 3 people sign up for Pipsticks using my referral link, I get 1 pack for free. So I would be really grateful if you guys would help me out with that. I know that for this pack I think I paid full price, but sometimes I get them for free because I get you guys to sign up, which is of course really fun. So again, not sponsored, but please use my referral link if you enjoyed this video and if you want to get a subscription for yourself. Now, I sometimes get comments from people who say that my introductions are way too long and I talk way too much, so I'm gonna make it extra long. No, I kid. Of course, I always try to be snappy, but short and snappy, but it is my thing to talk to a camera. I mean, it is kind of my style to chat with you guys as well. So if you don't want to hear me talk, you can feel free and skip ahead to the actual opening. I keep saying one more thing, but there's still some things I have to say. And that is that, first of all, I had therapy again this morning, which means that I have the rest of the day off, but it also means that I am a little bit tired because, wow, therapy can be quite intense in a good way, but it does leave me a little bit, ooh, you know, and then I sometimes cannot find the right way to say things. You guys, before I get into the actual video, I have a little surprise for you. Because you're all such loyal subscribers and because you've been with me even when I was away for a little bit with the move and all, and because I simply enjoy receiving stickers in the mailbox every month so much, I thought I would do a little Pipsticks giveaway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask you guys, first of all, to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and all you have to do is tell me what you use stickers for. So that could be, you know, snail mail like I do, or envelope decorating, or you can use them in your planner, or, you know, just let me know what you use stickers for, and you will automatically be entered into my hidden giveaway. And then what you could win is 1 month of Pipsticks. So instead of ordering only my monthly Pipsticks pack, I will also order one for you, and hopefully yeah, that will be with you soon, of course. So you're not gonna win this one, but I think what I will do is that you will win next month's pack. At least I haven't contacted Pipsticks yet. I'm hoping to set that up, but I'm pretty sure that we can make that work. Okay, so once again, this is not sponsored by Pipsticks or anything. They don't know that I'm going to do this giveaway. I probably do have to contact them because I need them to charge 2 envelopes to 1 account, so, but that will probably be okay. This is money from my own pocket, simply because I want to thank you all, and I want to spread a little bit of that sticker love. So if you want to join, let me know in the comments down below what you use stickers for. Okay, now that I've done that introduction, let's get started. As you can see, I did cover up my address because this is my home address. I don't want that to be on the internet. And this month's envelope has a little cassette. Wow, what is that called in English? I don't know, a cassette front. And I do remember we had a sticker sheet with that a little while ago, but I'm quite curious to see if it also correlates to the stickers in this pack. Ooh, we have a postcard that says "Too rad to be sad." I really like this because in the beginning, when I first subscribed to the Pipsticks pack, the postcards were more like a marketing tool for Pipsticks, and now it's actually like a really fun card. It really adds to the experience, I think. And now we're just going to grab stickers randomly with the pack upside down because I don't want any spoilers. I do have to say that I saw a spoiler on Instagram. I always try to post no spoilers until everyone has received, or sometimes I will post a spoiler, but I won't post like a picture of all of the sticker sheets. But I actually saw a picture of all of the sticker sheets on Instagram, but I'm trying very hard to remember what the sticker sheets look like, and I cannot. So even though I had a spoiler, I'm completely blank again. Oh, that's adorable. First thing I grab is this kind of peppery feel sticker sheet with It's a Rainy Day illustrations. That's so cute. We even have a little cat and an umbrella. That's totally adorable. I really like this. I think I'm gonna keep this one for myself. It also has a tiny bit of silver foiling, which is nice. All stuck together. Oh my goodness. We have this little triangle sheet. I actually quite like it. The color is not really my style, but these would be great for collaging or something. And they're all individual little triangle stickers. Nothing else to say about it, but that is, I have to admit that is quite cool. Yes, this is one of the, oh, it's cute. One of those new longer shaped Pipsticks originals, which is cool. Yeah, again, I think the theme is like rain or something, because we have another rain and cloudy, or actually a weather theme. But I do have to admit this is quite cute. The colors are again not really me. But I'm not complaining, this is cute. This one, oh, Pipsticks again. I really like that they're just designing so many sticker sheets. It's really cool to have these sheets you can share with pen pals or use on your mail, and then you will know that it's kind of original because you cannot buy these anywhere else. So Pipsticks again, it's again rainy themed, and there's a lot of boots and umbrellas and a lot of raindrops. I always love those little teeny tiny stickers. I don't know why. The colors, again, not really me, but the colors on the umbrellas are really cute. And these have some sort of a holographic shimmer to them. And then the next one is, the next sticker sheet is this cutlery in silver foiling. It's a shame I don't have a food blog anymore. This would have been perfect. They're really cute, but what the heck am I gonna do with this? I could use them for a like a menu themed spread in my bullet journal, or I could use them for like a meal plan, but they're kind of big for that, so I don't know how I'm going to use these. But I do have to say the foiling on them is really cute. Little shimmery sparkles. Ooh, oh my god, that's so colorful. That's cool. It's like a copper foiling, a Pipsticks original sheet. We have all of these animals with unicorn horns, which is kind of difficult to say, unicorn horns. We have pugs, llamas, panda, and what are they called again? Sloths, which is also difficult to pronounce, sloths. And then they're colorful, and it also says be colorful. Unicorns are not really my thing. Animal stickers not really either, but these will be so cute to send as gifts, especially because you can easily cut them into 4 individual sticker sheets. Which is great for when you want to share them. And the copper foiling is kind of cool. So there's that. Every month I'm hoping there's a puffy sticker in there, but I can feel already that there's none, which is so sad. They said that they were going to do less puffy stickers, but ever since they said that, there have been 0 puffy stickers. Oh, little pinata themed sticker sheet. All of these pinatas, I quite like that actually. Little tacos and little cacti and pineapples and sombreros. That's quite fun. They also have a tiny bit of silver foiling again. Can once again be cut into 4, so I'm going to share these with as many people as possible. Oh, hello, Luce. Oh, did you hear that meow? What is wrong, lady? Oh, I can see already another Pipsticks one. This one is food themed. Oh, yeah, what's wrong? I'm just asking for a little bit of attention. This is again food themed, basically like canned food themed, I guess. Tomato soup and grilled cheese themed. That's oddly specific. Oh, oops, Noosh just rolled over. I have to scratch that tummy, you know. Usually only my boyfriend is allowed to touch her tummy, so whenever I am allowed, I take full advantage. Okay, now I have to focus. So we have like a tomato soup and grilled cheese theme. I don't know if that's a thing that I don't know about, but it's kind of cute. It has holographic foiling and yeah, some faces as well, which is kind of funny. This one I will probably share with someone else. I think it's quite funny, but I don't really know how I'm going to use that in my personal style. So this adorable panda stamp sheets, all of these different shapes of little stamp stickers. I really like this. And then all of them are pandas doing various activities, such as crying, sleeping on top of a burger, sitting on the moon. Oh, that's adorable. I'm going to keep these myself and use these for decorating mail, obviously, because that's just adorable. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, we still have some to go. So far, although I love the overall look, so far this is not my favorite pack, which is totally cool because the less I like the stickers, the easier it will be to give them away. Also because I found that usually the stickers I dislike most, other people really like them, so that just proves that we all have a different style. So it will be easier for me to give them away. But I also really like keeping some stickers for my personal stash. So far probably these two and the pandas will stay in my personal stash for sure. But let's see what else is in here. Oh yeah, this is one of the things I remember from the spoiler. Or Pipsticks did a spoiler, I don't remember. But it's this adorable little vinyl, I don't know, robot guy? I don't know, it's it's definitely adorable. I will be giving this away, but I think someone will be very happy because it's quite cute. Little robot guy. And then next one, ooh, cat themed, yay, love it. Actually, don't get me wrong, I love cat stickers and animal themed stickers, but I never really use them. I have to start using them because I get sent so many cat stickers, which is absolutely adorable, but so far I've just been hoarding them. So I might also give some of this away. It says morning wake up, so this is all morning wake up themed. So we have coffee, we have a little cat getting ready. That's so cute. A little cat in a suit, little cat assholes, little cat buttholes, which is very relatable, and a little bit of breakfast all around it. I like it. And this one has a beautiful golden foiling again, which is quite cool. Sticker caught onto another sticker sheet, this one, but it's still intact. This is again a Pipsticks Originals. It's doggy themed, which is so cute. I quite like the colors as well. All different types of dogs. I'm actually more a cat person than I am a dog person, don't sue me. I've grown up with dogs, but they just never touched my heart. They never got a special place in my heart like cats did. So I will be giving that one away, but I'm pretty sure that people are going to love this gift. How cute is that? Are you guys dog lovers? I want to know. Let me know also in the comments down below if you're a cat or a dog lover. Then, wait, this one first. Oh my god, what is this? It's a seal, I think. A little seal themed sticker sheet. This is so cute, the 3 layered ones. That's adorable. So this is all different, yeah, again, seals doing different activities, eating, fighting, sleeping, adorable. This is quite cute. I'm doubting between using these for myself or giving them away. So probably I'll cut them up and do both. Although, like I said before, I don't really use animal themed stickers. And the next one I grabbed is this rollerblade skate. What do you call them? Rollerblades? Roller skates? I don't know. Again, Pipsticks Originals, quite like this. It's colorful, it's cute, it's fun. And they have a little bit of silver foiling. And it says, "This is how I roll." Yeah, I don't know what else to say about this. I think I'll be giving this away, but this is kind of a fun, this is probably my favorite Pipsticks sheet in this pack so far. I think so, although I also like the rainy day ones. This is adorable. I think we're on to the last sheet now, and then we have the raffle ticket. Uh-oh, I just realized that I have no clue where my previous raffle ticket is. So I won't know if I won this month or not. But yeah, we will figure that out. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's all these different banners. Some of them have foiling, like copper foiling on them again. There's little stars in between. I love those little shapes, and all of them say yay. So this is perfect for putting onto an envelope when you send like Happy Meal. Yay is the automatic response I get. So these are going on envelopes. They're again divided into 4 different sheets. So I might give some away, but I'm definitely going to use one of these squares for myself, because how cute is that? Which is your favorite sheet so far? Please let me know. Okay, we have like behind the scenes, which I always like. Pipsticks is such like a personal company. And then we have Pinata, a Pinata DIY. Ooh, we have, what is this? We all know about that hashtag, that sticker feeling. What other things throughout your day make you happy, even for a second? List some for morning, afternoon and night below, and make appreciating the little things a habit. Because noticing these awesome little moments in our lives makes the hashtag meh feelings way easier to bear. That's cute. What is something, oh my god, I'm asking so many questions in this video. Something that makes me happy is coffee and cats. Okay, I don't know if I won the April VIP raffle, but oh no, sneak peek. Don't look at the sneak peek, you guys. The April raffle is like bunny themed, which is quite cute. And then yeah, that's it. That's it for this month. Quite like that. I saved all of these envelopes, and I want to use them for the craft room organizing. So maybe to organize like my stickers or something. I actually took this sticker off with like a sticker removal, something that works really well. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you want to join, and I will see you in the next one. Also, if you do decide to join, don't forget to check back next week Friday, because then I will be drawing a winner. I will post the winners in this video, in the comments of this video, but also in the comments of the new video on Friday. So next week Friday, which will be the, what date is it next week Friday? Next week Friday will be the 26th of April. I will post it in the comments here, in the comments on the new video. I will post it on Instagram. I will post it on my Ko-fi page. I will post it everywhere. And then you guys can join. And then you have to, if I pick you as a winner, please send me your contact details within 1 week so I can sign us up. And yeah, good luck to you all. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.